Hi, it's Lorraine and Jules from Our Crafty Home.
Hello.
So we're doing a little tour of our Halloween items, and you can see the little pumpkin girl called Boo with a big smile. And then we go on to this lantern, and we had gotten that at the Strathcona Antique Store. And then we have some noisemakers next to it, and that was from Etsy. So and here's another table, and we have these papier-mâché pumpkins, and this was from Etsy, and the person who did this was Bethany Lowe Designs, and they're quite popular.
Yeah, it's like a reproduction of the old versions.
So as you can see, we have an accumulation here. And then, of course, our little owls sitting on a pumpkin, and this I got at a drugstore here in the city. And Ty Beanie Baby, it's our Thanksgiving turkey. And here's our little pumpkins. So cute with those faces.
Yeah, these are little ceramic ones.
And then this bear we got from Michael's. And along we go with a few more little items here. And as you can see, we have some glass pumpkins and another bear from Michael's. And that was purchased quite a few years ago. Then we have a cat sitting on top of a pumpkin. And our books, which are quite popular. We've got Jack Pumpkinhead and the Sawhorse of Oz, The Legend of Sleepy Hollow, and Peanuts Countdown to Halloween. And then we have Marley, Trick or Treat. Trick or Treat Marley. And then we go on again, and here we have some more pumpkins. And this is a cute little postcard. It says, Happy Halloween.
That's an old card.
Yeah. And then these are some of the scary Halloween records.
These were reproductions of the originals. So these were done way back, and they came out with these reproductions, which are fantastic. That second one there, The Haunted House, that was awesome. We used that as kids all the time. Played it. So they have these nice new versions you can buy.
Oh, that's sweet. And here is another area with some more Halloween items. And here we have Charlie Brown, and this is Thanksgiving. So, and then we have some postcards in the back here, and they're quite old. And this is a sweet one. This is our Boston Terrier on the far left, or I should say Boston Terror. And then more postcards. And this little witch we have, she's sitting with or standing with some pumpkins and that. And then another old postcard.
Lots of old postcards. The back ones were reproductions, but this is an authentic one.
So here we have from Amazon a diamond art painting. And we go on. This is our coffee area, and we have all our Halloween cups displayed. So there's quite an accumulation, actually. And then our Diamond Art Club calendar for 2025. And here for October, they're featuring a ghost. So, yeah. And here we have over our stove a shelf. So we have the salt and pepper shakers.
Joanna Parker.
Yeah. And then this is Trick or Treat. They're cookie cutters. And then I got these actually from Amazon, and I did diamond art painting on that. And so they're quite nice. Happy Halloween on there. And then there's a wreath, and I put another diamond art hanger right in the wreath there. So it has like the hot cocoa mug with the whipped cream. And that was fun to do. And then over here, once again, from Amazon, this is a sweet one, the gnome, and sitting there with his pumpkins. And then a globe mole again. And I had to paint the eyes in that black and to make it stand out a little more because it was quite worn out, eh? We had gotten it at
This
an
is
antique
our
store.
Lego set there.
Yeah.
Haunted house.
Yes.
One I just made
Yeah.
with you.
And these are all our little Lego featuring little pumpkins and skeletons. And this is a miniature haunted house in the background. So, yeah. Lots of little figurines there. Back to the haunted
Back to
house.
The big haunted house. That's a tall one.
Yeah, that was really
Really nice. There's another video that features that.
yeah,
The build.
very, very nice. Yeah, and here we have a Department 56 little statue. It's a father and son.
A granddaughter.
And our granddaughters, yes. And then this is what I call our little ghost area. And it's sort of like a gathering of ghosts. And here we have another Amazon that we did featuring a ghost and a couple pumpkins on there. But look at all the little faces on here. Very expressive. And then we have this tree, and we put ornaments on there. And if you go, yeah, see all the faces on these ornaments, ghosts and pumpkins, and yeah. So here, this is a hobbyist who did the ceramic piece of the two ghosts, and there's a skeleton head at the bottom, and it's a lamp.
So we wanted to show you, we made puzzles. We always enjoyed puzzles, but some of the really good ones, like this one here, these were Halloween themed puzzles. And so we've got one here hung up on the wall, and then we have another one over the mantle right now. And they're fantastic. You don't even have to use glue or anything for these. And you just get the right frame and you put them in. Also, there's our Peanuts characters. You can see them over there in the Halloween theme. And this funny face, look at this. This is like a pumpkin doll. Really cute. There you can see the other image that we have. Again, just great colors and really a fun puzzle. So we did that puzzle and we framed that one as well. We've had them for a couple years. And they're fantastic. So that face just got to get in there all the time. See that? But look at that puzzle too. Very nice. Okay, and then there's a little bit of fall here and a pumpkin. And this little picture we got was, Lorraine and I worked on this to put some applications on there, like give it a 3D effect. We had washed it a little bit of paint and did some work on it, and it has a nice little saying. So, and so that's been following us around for every fall. We would put that up. This is from Pier 1. It's a company that doesn't exist anymore, sadly. We used to go there and browse, and we had bought some things. So there's another little plaque. It's a cute one.
So thank you for viewing. Bye, everybody.
Yeah, goodbye, everybody. Thank you for viewing.